Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is an egg. Little life from egg. Where does it begin? When I see this, I think of a little baby bird that hasn't hatched yet. Can you hear it? The little bird is tapping its beak against the shell. It wants to be born. You know, when someone is born, we say they hatch like a baby bird. That's because when you were a baby, you were all curled up inside your mom's belly. You were soft and squishy like this little bird. What does the baby bird do when it hatches? It chirps for food. That's what babies do too. They cry and chirp until someone feeds them. Who's this little guy? He's a turtle. He's also just hatched. Do you see his shell? It's hard and brown. This will protect him when he's a little turtle exploring the world. Some animals have shells like this, like tortoises and turtles. Their shells protect them. You know what else has a shell? Eggs. These are some interesting shells. What do you see? Do you see the little crack? This is where the baby bird was born. This is its shell. It was soft like cotton candy, but now it's hard. When a baby bird hatches, it needs food. The baby bird can't find food by itself. It needs its mom or dad to feed it. Can you see the little bird here? It's waiting for its mom to come back with food. When you were a baby, did you like to eat soft and squishy things? Now you're a little older, so you don't eat squishy things. You eat crunchy things. Well, maybe not these crunchy things. What's in the middle of this egg? It's the yolk. The yolk is food for the baby bird. It's soft and squishy and full of protein. That's good for the baby bird because it's growing and getting stronger every day. And what's around the yolk? It's surrounded by egg whites. They're not really white though. They're clear like water. And the egg whites are good for the baby bird too. They're full of protein. Do you know why eggs are so good for us to eat? Because they have lots of protein. Protein helps us grow strong bones and muscles. How do you feel about eating eggs? Do you like them scrambled, fried, poached? Tell me in the comments below.